splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no! What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise! A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? He looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go bajnola mow. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screambow chaos everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me and you. Oh no, no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Oh no, side of the dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back. No more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 4 spooky dinos were riding the Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep, Kitty called the ghost. And ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Blingo, riding the train, Blingo, riding the train, Blingo, riding the train, Blingo, rain. Two spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark. Stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Blingo, riding the train, Blingo, riding the train, Blingo, riding the train, Blingo, rain.
I was so lucky.
Two broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch, and witch said, "Oops, fix the train, fix it soon. Let's fix the train." Why do they fix the train? All Daniel's back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them home and says, "Let's ride the Dino train today." Riding the train, Blingo, riding the train, Blingo, riding the train, Blingo, riding the train, Blingo, rain. Bubble, bubble, don't pop, pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says, "Stay close to me." Baby shark, what can it be? Bubble, bubble, and go slow, slow, slow. All history's about to show. Beating baby shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are swaying. Pop, 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 goes every side. Laughing loud with happy pride. Be bubble back, yay, yay, yay. Play with bubbles all the day. Suddenly silence in the air. Bubbles stop, nothing's there. Sky turns dark, very slow. Cold wind starts to blow. Baby shark whispers, "I don't like this." Kitty says something is wrong. Subble, bubble, where you go? Something strange is starting to grow. From bubbles, something nice is fly. Big round face, ears high. No hands, no feet, just cawing face. Spinning slowly in the place. Monster says, "Give me light." Baby shark hides in fright. Oh no, no, what is that? Kitten silly, bubble salute. Baby shark, wait, that's it. Kitty laughs, it's just a little break. Bubble monster, go away, go. Help, bubbly, I'll never do. She raises one up to the sky. Bubble magic, let's try. Sparkles everywhere, okay. Doing Santa scary pay. Kitty shark is happy now. No more fear, just fun tonight. Bubble, bubble, okay. Something strange is starting tight. Kitty egg is happy now. Beauty shark is happy now. Bubble princess, wow, wow, wow. So wow, wow, wow.
So much fun! Woohoo!
Dino roars but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack, crack in his teeth today. Oh no, 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 what's the way? Help, 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 what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch, 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 he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite wet. Even grass feels not right. He shakes his head. I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes looks all the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Can't talk, beep, beep, beep. Kitty arrives with happy lip wreck. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry, Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This problem will soon be gone. Kitty, Kitty, on the way. Fixing teeth today. Brush, 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 shiny, clean. Now he feels strong, long, smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, 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 all okay. Fixing teeth today. Dino tries one crunchy bite. A wow, it feels just right. He jumps, he roars, he plays again. No more pain, no more pain. Kitty claps, mission done. Lick smiles like rising sun. Crunch, 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 happy now. Shows no strong, shows you how. Big bright smiles they cannot hide. Toothbrush shines, sparkle, glow. Healthy teeth now ready to go. Oh no, no, turn to yay. Save the teeth today. So smiles loud and free. Best dentist ever, yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you, Erkan! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you, Utari! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! But wait, what's that sound? Kitty's cake is dancing round! Shake, 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 spin around. Crazy cake is bouncing round. Pretty's birthday starts today. Balloons and candy everywhere. Presents stacked up by the wall. And friends are dancing big and small. Happy birthday, clap, 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 clap. Kitty wears a party hat. Happy birthday to you, Erkan. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Erkan. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Big cake sits on the stand. Kitty smiles and starts to dance. But suddenly the cake says hey, then jumps right up and runs away. Shake, 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 catch the cake. Don't let it escape today. Cake rolls fast across the floor. Kitty chases out the door. Happy birthday to you, Erkan. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Erkan. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Cupcakes bouncing left and right. Candles glowing super bright. Spin, 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 twirl around. Birthday magic all around. Cake spins like a disco ball. Frosting splashes on the wall. Sprinkles flying through the air. Your kitty lights them out of care. Happy birthday to you, Erkan. Happy birthday. Woohoo. Happy birthday to you, Erkan. Happy birthday. Woohoo. Spin, 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 twirl around. Birthday magic all around. Cake slows down and starts to sing. Happy birthday, kitty queen. Kitty hugs the magic cake make blood. Then they eat a giant slice. Happy birthday, hooray, hooray. Kitty's body saved the day. Happy birthday to you, Erkan. Happy birthday. Woohoo. Happy birthday to you, Erkan. Happy birthday. Woohoo. Happy birthday to you, Erkan. Happy birthday. Woohoo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dancing cake and kitty too. Oh no, Try Kitty forgot all her body parts. Let's help Kitty learn and point them correctly. Touch, sing, and learn with Kitty Pie. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing. What can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. a smell. Nose is working very well. Mouth, mouth, where are you? Here I am, I talk to you. Kitty sings la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me.